Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best robotic window cleaners available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best robotic window cleaners. The 5th product on our list is the Hobot 298. Hobot 298 is an innovative machine that makes cleaning windows easier than before. It can automatically spray water or detergent on the surface, wash away dirt and polish windows just by sticking to the window with suction and using ultra-fine mist. It comes with 3 cleaning cloths, a bottle of window detergent, remote control, and a power adapter. The device also has a safety cord you can attach to a point on your window frame. This safety cord will prevent the robot from hitting the ground in case it falls off the window. Meanwhile, the power cord is 13 feet long, allowing the device to clean the window pane's furthest areas. To start using this device, 1. Fill the robot's detachable water tank with water and detergent. 2. Plug it in with the extension and hold the device against the window. 3. Activate the vacuum suction with its onboard switch and set its direction using the remote control. Remember to charge the device's battery before using it, or it may stop midway to its task. The robot uses UPS battery to not fall off the window right away once its power fails. It will just stay attached to the window for up to 20 minutes, plenty of time for you to get it. Its pros are: it uses UPS batteries, it has a long power cord, and it comes with a safety cord. However, the cons are: it might leave smears on dirty windows, and it is slow in use. Hobot 298 is ideal for small to medium offices that may not have the budget to get regular window cleaning services. It is affordable and efficient, letting you focus on your work while it glides back and forth across your window pane. Up next in 4th place is Alexix. Alexix is a hands-free cleaning robot that uses an advanced AI system for smart, effortless, and efficient window cleaning. It has a built-in smart navigation system that detects the window frames and obstacles. Another feature is the suction technology that allows the robot to stick to the window. It also has washable microfiber pads that thoroughly scrub the windows, leaving the surfaces sparkling clean. This robotic window cleaner has UPS anti-fall protection. Its UPS system offers enough suction to stick to the window for 30 minutes, even when the power is interrupted. A high tensile strength safety cord prevents the device from falling straight to the ground, saving itself from any damage. This safety cord is also the feature that allows the robot to clean the windows while you sit on your couch. Alexix has 3 optimized and pre-programmed cleaning routes. These functions help the device clean superficial dirt and debris from the glass and wipe smudges or grimy residues. This robotic window cleaner gets its job done fast. It is efficient too. All you have to do is push down the switch on button and it is good to go. Its pros are: it auto-detects window frames and obstacles. It has a UPS anti-fall protection feature, and it features 3 auto-cleaning modes. However, its cons are: it has US plug only, and it cannot work in high humidity. Nevertheless, Alexix can be used on many surfaces. It can clean different types of glass, from framed windows to colored and tinted windows. It also suits doors, mirrors, desks, tiled walls, marble, and stainless steel. Still haven't found the robotic window cleaner that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the AlphaBot X7. AlphaBot X7 is a smart glass window cleaner that can be remotely controlled using your smartphone. This is made possible through its app, GlassBot 2. It uses an ultrasonic water spray nozzle, so there is no need for you to spray water on your windows anymore manually. All you have to do is activate the auto spray mode using your phone, and the device will do all the spraying for you. This robotic window cleaner has intuitive cleaning technology that guides the device to clean fast, comprehensively, and economically. It makes the machine choose the best cleaning path. After that, AlphaBot X7 uses its washable microfiber pads to scrub your windows. The robot has the capacity to detect edges. Its advanced algorithm allows it to scrub every part of your window, including hard-to-reach areas. AlphaBot X7 comes with multiple safety systems for comprehensive security and protection. It has 4 kPa suction power that makes sure that the robot is firmly attached to the windows. There is also a 30-minute backup battery in case of a power failure. Other features include a safety rope attachment and advanced edge detection technology with advanced up-coupler sensors that help the device identify the edges and change its path immediately. Its pros are: it is safe to use, its GlassBot 2 app is reliable, it is fast and efficient, and it has a 1-year warranty. However, you cannot use it without a smartphone. Clean your windows, mirrors, floors, and walls with AlphaBot X7. This reliable robotic window cleaner is almost a self-sufficient device that can do its job without much assistance required from you. The second product on our list is the Hobot 388. A premium robotic window cleaner, Hobot 388 is designed to clean large rectangular windows. It starts by using its suction force to vertically attach itself to the surface, followed by activating its vacuum to suck off dust particles. Finally, the soft synthetic fibers of its cleaning cloths wipe the windows clean. It comes with 2 cleaning wheels that allow it to work in every direction. They are wrapped with microfiber cleaning pads that prevent the device from leaving any marks on your window. Additionally, its water tank and ultrasonic water spray nozzle wet the window surface, helping the cleaning pads to glide across the window smoothly. To set its direction, all you have to do is control it using its smartphone app. Hobot 388 is designed with a 16-foot power supply cord, allowing the device to work on large windows. It also has a screw-in power connector that provides extra secure DC power so that the robot will not get disconnected while working. Moreover, its integrated UPS serves as a backup when the power goes off. It keeps the device activated for 20 minutes to keep it from falling. But if it still falls, its 15-foot safety rope will stop the device from falling straight to the floor. Its pros are: it is easy to use, it can clean different types of surfaces, it has safety features, it works quietly, and its app is user-friendly. However, it only works in low humidity. If you have large windows, Hobot 388 is a good choice for you. It is specially designed to clean those kinds of windows, so you can expect it to leave you with nothing except great results. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products in the market. Finally, our top robotic window cleaner is the Sofinic X5. Clean different surfaces with the versatile Sofinic X5. This high-quality robotic window cleaner can help clean not only windows, but also walls, tiled floors, and tables. It has an auto mode in 3 directions. You can control this feature using its remote control or your smartphone through its app. It uses Bluetooth technology, so it is easy and convenient. This robotic window cleaner has a built-in vacuum motor that allows the device to suck air and stick on the glass surface. It is compatible with all glass types and capable of cleaning hard-to-reach areas. The vacuum has an absorption capacity of up to 6 kilograms. Moreover, it comes with an auto-detection function that identifies window frames and any obstacles. Other features include an intelligent calculation path, safety rope, and another 30 minutes of absorption protection when switched off. Another great thing about Sofinic X5 is that it is suitable for high-rinse cleaning. It can reach up to 20 feet thanks to its 13-foot extension cord. There is no need for you to climb dangerous ladders to clean hard-to-reach areas. This device will go up there for you without any hassle. Its pros are: it can be controlled remotely. It has a 3-direction auto mode option. It can clean different surfaces, and it comes with vacuum absorption technology. However, the app only works with Android 4.3, iOS 7 or higher. Choose Sofinic X5 if you are looking for a robotic window cleaner that can work on different surfaces. This innovative machine can also clean house appliances and high-rise windows. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.